Hi, it's Fia Staro. Hello, all signs. Okay, so, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. Kung anong ating makita. Oo, yan ang ating babasahin. Okay, so yeah. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. Yes, nagre-reading po si Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. Okay? So, items, all available. Oo, yung ating mga, ang tawag dyan, Evil Eye Protection, Love Bracelet, Granter. Si Granter yung taga-grant po ng mga minamanifest. And si ating cord cutting. Yeah. So, let's start our reading agad-agad. Air signs. Excuse me. What's for you? Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay. Knight of Chalices. In reverse. Judgment. New opportunities in love. Yes. A decision na pwedeng mangyari pagdating sa isang water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I don't know kung ano yun. Like in general, there's this decision na pwede mong gawin. Or an opportunity with this water sign. Okay? Meron ako nakikita ditong gusto nang lumabas pagdating sa isang connection. Because somebody is too hot and cold. Some of you, there's this third party involved. Pasensya na ha. Oo, ako yung nauubo. Tingnan ko tong Knight of Chalices in reversed. Nine of Swords. Somebody's too afraid. Too afraid. The Ace of Swords. Hindi ko malaman kung anong gagawin nitong water sign na to. Could be any sign anyway. Okay? Hindi ko malaman kung anong gusto nitong taong to pagdating sa'yo because they're too afraid. They want opportunity. They want chances. They want connection with you. Pero they're too afraid. They're too afraid. Okay? Hindi ko malaman kung gusto ba niya mag-take risk or mag-step back sa situation. Pero I think, meron siyang something na gusto dito na mapatunayan. Okay? Nandun lang yung takot siya sa ngayon. I don't know kung ano, kung saan, kung kanino. Okay? Pasensya na po sa boses ko ha. So, let's see what else for air signs. Death in reverse. Three of Swords in reverse. Forgiveness, ang nakikita ko dito, some of you, meron kayong info forgive. Could be a Scorpio or an air sign like you. Some of you, pwedeng nakaka-move on ka na from this person. Okay? Pero sila hindi pa. Death in reversed. The Lovers in reversed. Some of you, pinapayuhan ka na talagang mag-move on from this. Kung hindi ka pa nag-move on or nag-heal. Okay? The King of Chalices. I think yung person na to, puro connection ang nakikita ko dito. Itong taong to, nandun pa rin yung love, actually. Or sabihin natin, there's a lot of realization. Okay, we have the star. Yeah. So, yun nga, healing. Okay? Yeah, the 8 of chalices. May may magbabalik. May nakikita ko dito pwedeng magbalik. And, ipapahayag kung ano ba yung emosyon niya sa ngayon pagdating sa'yo. Kung ano na ang emosyon niya sa'yo. Some of you, pwedeng naka-move on ka na from this, pero here they come again. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here they come. Scorpio, Gemini, Pisces, air sign. Okay? So, may energy surrounding you na ganito. What else for air signs? So, nakukuha natin dito yung malalakas na energy. Yes. Parang malakas na percentage, no? What else for air signs? Yeah, the 4 of Wands. Stability. Some of you, this is talking about long term. In general, this is long term. 7 of Pentacles. Investing. Ang nakikita ko dito. Okay? This is nice. In general, nakikitaan ko dito ng parang patungo sa paayo, sa pa-okay. Parang ganyan. In general po ha, career, job, basta, yeah, this is talking about stability. Relationship. The Hangman in reverse. The 8 of Pentacles. Yeah. Meron ako nakikita dito. Kaya may situation na parang magiging okay kasi hindi sasamahan ng overthinking, hindi sasamahan ng kung anumang kanigahan. Okay? Yeah. The Queen of Chalices. Walang kanigahan dito. Yep. Some of you, aalisan nyo yung mga nagbibigay ng stress para makuha nyo to. Kailangan yung alisan. So, it's a gabay para makuha nyo tong 4 of Wands, 7 of Pentacles. Some of you, somebody wants to invest. Okay? Wants a relationship. Wanting a relationship with you. They see you as parte na ng buhay nila kung sino man to. Okay, yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Excuse me. Somebody will take action. Some of you may chance dito ng pwedeng promotion, increase, yeah, merit. Magiging maluwag ang schedules. Some of you. Yeah, yun ang nakuha ko dito and that's nice. Maluwag na schedule. O, diba? Yep. Organized. So, yeah. Some of you, I'm hearing a plan or wanting na magkaroon ng, yeah, yung iba sa inyo may chance na merong may pupuntahan pa. Okay, in general, may pupuntahan. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayo talagang pupuntahan, like literal. No? I don't know if this is a vacation. This is a vacation. 4 of Swords, the Sun. This is like resting. Okay? So, there. So, yun lang. Nakikita ko for you. So, next. Fire signs. Fire signs, what's for you? Okay. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay, the Hermit in reversed. Ano yan? Some of you could be dealing with a Virgo. Knight of Pentacles in the reverse. Perang mawawala. Meron dito ako nakikita literal na merong mami-misplace or may mawawalang gamit. Okay? You have here death. I don't know kung matatagpuan mo pa yun or what. I don't know. Somebody will, sabihin nating kukuha ng gamit. Yeah, be careful kung saan-saan mo ipapatong yung mahalaga mong mga bagay, gamit. Okay, just be careful sa mga darating na araw. Okay? Yeah, the Ten of Chalices in reversed. Three of Swords. This is money. May magiging interested pagdating sa gamit mo. Pera. Some of you ang gagawa nito kasama mo pa sa bahay. Okay? Family member. Yeah, that's so specific. What else? Yeah, there's this family member na pwedeng mag-break ng trust. Maka-break ng trust. Ruin your trust. I don't know. So what else? Fire signs. Ace of Chalices. Some of you, there's an opportunity of a new connection. Some of you, you're eyeing somebody got your attention. Yeah, the King of Wands. Somebody is sabihin nating interested sa new person. Could be a new person. Yeah, the Four of Wands. Two of Swords. Oh no, be careful. Okay, some of you, kung ikaw itong interested sa isang tao, may chance, this specific, may chance na nakakatrabaho mo to, nakakasama mo. Some of them, they're in another connection, or sabihin natin already in a connection. Okay? Kung ito naman taong ito is lumalapit sa'yo and hindi mo pa alam yung background niya, check their background. Okay? The King of Wands, itong si King of Wands, meron tong whether babae, lalaki, kung naman ang gender, they have dark side. Okay? They have dark side. Itong si King of Wands. The Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Yeah. Sabihin natin, ay, okay, parang ang ganda nito, ang pogi nito, whatsoever, pero I don't think so. The Ace of Pentacles is in the reversed. What's with this King of Wands? Anong meron sa kanya? Excuse me. Yeah, the Six of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody na pwedeng meron lang gusto pagdating sa'yo. Meron lang silang gustong makuha. Makakuha ka ng one-sidedness from them. Okay? So, yeah, the Knight of Swords in reverse. Somebody na pwedeng maging inconsistent. There's this player. Yeah, player energy, wanting to reconcile. Knight of Chalices. Meron ditong gustong offer ng connection with you, pero hindi sila upfront. Okay? Hindi sila like tawag dyan, pinapakita talaga na gusto ka nila, but yes. Anong meron? The Knight of Swords. Okay. So, pasensya na po sa ingay ha, kung inyong naririnig. Knight of Chalices, Knight of Swords. I don't know. Some of you, people sees you, or this person, sabihin natin nakikita ka na pwedeng may mga gusto rin na kumonek sa'yo, that is why kaya hindi sila ganun like kaprosigido, no, na maging upfront or maging transparent, no, sa kanilang emotion for you. Yeah, the 7 of Chalices, they see you as somebody na may options, okay, kaya hindi sila nagiging open. Yeah, the 4 of Chalices, but yeah, this person is like wanting you, andyan yung pag-iisip nila sa'yo every day, every night, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? The 3 of Pentacles, sila yung sabihin nating umiiwas agad sa gulo, kaya ganon, I don't know. Yeah, could be a third party involved, I think. Or sabihin natin, hindi naman to mag-workout. Yun agad yung nasa isip nila. Or i-reject ka nila. Or i-reject mo sila, I think. Okay? Yes. Anyway, so next. Okay. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. That's for you. What is for you? Water signs. Okay. What is for you, water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. While I'm shuffling. Yes, okay. 10 of Wands. Work. Duties, responsibilities. Overload. Queen of Wands. Ang daming, sa totoo lang, ang nakikita ko dito kaya ikaw itong parang binibigyan ng responsibilidad, some of you. They see you as somebody who's so independent. Okay, people see you as somebody so independent. Kaya mo lahat. Wag mong shoulder lahat. Yeah. Iba sa inyo nakikita ko, may chance ng pagpapaganda. Sabay ganun no? Opo. Whether babae, lalaki, ko naman ang gender. Yeah. Somebody na pwedeng ikaw itong magiging open pagdating sa fitness. I don't know, some of you, andun yung lifting, andyan yung, gym. Okay? Yeah, meron kasing gustong gawin when it comes to your looks. Toning. Yeah, see the sun. Maraming pwedeng maka-appreciate sa'yo, pero ang nakukuha ko dito, hindi nila ikaw ina-appreciate, or sabihin nating nagagalit sila sa'yo kasi alam nila na marami kang kayang gawin. So some of them, they will try na ialis ka sa direction na meron ka, sa direction mo. They will try to confuse you, try to manipulate you. Don't let them. Okay? You'll get a lot of appreciation, I think. A lot of compliments, some of you. Yung iba sa inyo, nahihirapan ang mga tao na i-approach ka because you're too intimidating. The Hermit in reversed. Death in reversed. Sino ito na nawawala? Nawawala sa ruta. Hindi alam ang gagawin. Could be Scorpio or Virgo. Yeah, the Eight of Swords. Somebody who is stuck. Feeling stuck. Sino dito nalulungkot? May nalulumbay. Yeah, the Three of Chalices in reverse. The High Priestess. Feeling worthless. Yeah. Oh my. Feeling stuck. Wala na nangyayari sa buhay. Some of you, kaya ikaw na-stuck sa sitwasyon mo ngayon because of the trauma. Okay? Trauma sa past. Marami ka pang hindi na-let go. Something, issues from the past. Yeah, you have to let go. The High Priestess in reverse. Kailangan mo natanggalin to sa isip mo kung ano man to. You have to release yourself from burdens, stress. Some of you, I'm hearing anxiety. It gives you anxiety. Yeah, kung ano man to. Kung hindi man, it will. What else? Somebody wants to speak. Somebody wants to hear you. Somebody wants to communicate. A person from the past. I think some of you, ikaw to. You're still stuck sa isang person from your past. Yeah. The Four of Swords. Somebody's overthinking. Overplanning. Seven of Wands. A blockage when it comes to communication. Heart chakra. Okay. Heart chakra. Meron ditong blocked. Pagdating sa heart, sa emosyon. Okay. All about something, talking about career, job, finance. Yun lang nakukuha ko dito. Pero, there's this blockages. Yeah, see, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Kahit anong sikap, kahit anong gawin, there's these blockages. Some of you talaga the Fool is here. Kailangan mo na mag-start ng like panibago. Okay, a new beginning. Yeah. Four of Chalices. Mga what ifs mo, bitawan mo na. Mga what ifs. Kaya hindi mo masimulan yung mga dapat masimulan. Some of you, meron kang gustong i-send. Okay? Or malaman, makausap. Kung sa tingin mo wala kang pwedeng mapagsabihan, sulat mo sa papel. And then burn it. Yaan mo umago sa tubig. Okay? Mga problem, mga issue na meron ka na parang wala kang mapagsabihan. Burn it. Sulat mo sa papel. Sunugin mo, paagos mo. Okay? So, there. Yeah. Energies, sabihin natin may mga naka-attached pa rin sa'yo. Like, nakahawak pa rin. Okay? Next, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, I have angel number for you, 2424. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What's for you? What is for you? Excuse me. Five of Chalices. Why? So there's this regrets or pangungulila, something like that. What's with this 5 of chalices? The Empress. Oh my gosh. This is shouting energy of miscarriage. Bleeding. Yeah. Ito ha. Hindi to para sa lahat. Pero yung iba dyan na parang dumaranas ngayon ng kalungkutan kasi merong nawala. Merong, ako nakikita dito, nag-bleed. Hindi natuloy yung pregnancy. Yeah. Hindi naman masama na malungkot. Okay? Pero, syempre, kailangan ng pag-move on. Be careful. Yung iba sa inyo na alam yung, pregnant kayo. And, just be careful. Yeah, King of Chalices. Alagaan mo sarili mo. Okay? Alagaan mo sarili mo. Meron pang another chance. If ever. Meron pa po. Okay? Yeah, somebody's suffering here. Meron ditong somebody na takot mawala ka. They're too afraid na mawala ka. Could be a water sign. Meron din dito nagre-regret. Okay, may nagre-regret na binitawan ka or pinakawalan ka or there's this ang daming panghihinayang coming from this person. This person still loves you. They still love you. Who is this King of Chalices? Anong meron sa kanya? Yeah, 5 of Swords. Some of them, they're too complicated. Oh, they're giving you mixed signals. Okay, they have a lot of issues. Ang daming conflicts ng taong to. Kaya hindi nila ikaw ma-appreciate before. That is why may nangyaring, pwedeng i-give up ka nito or talagang hindi siya totally nakapag-focus sa'yo. Now, ang nakikita ko is they're regretting kung bakit hindi niya nagawa or hindi niya ginawa. Para silang imbis na mag-focus sa'yo, lagi na lang sa ibang bagay. They're too they're an overthinker, self-sabotager. Now they're regretting everything. You're in their mind, you're in their head. Well, parang ang laki nung nawala sa kanya. Well, what else? For Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yeah. What is your fave? What is your fave? 10 of Pentacles. Yeah, money. Money is coming. Money. 10 of Pentacles. What's with that? Anong meron dito sa 10 of Pentacles? Could be a happy family, commitment, long-term relationship, and money. Okay. 5 of Pentacles. Okay. Some of you, may paggastos akong nakikita. Be careful. Meron ditong parang nangangailangan ng pera. What's with this 5 of Pentacles? Somebody missing someone. Oo. Okay. Yeah, the 2 of Chalices in reverse. Meron ditong nangangailangan ng sobrang sabihin nating talagang gusto ka ng taong to makasama habang buhay. Pero hindi pa sila ready to make an offer. Pero yes, ang nakukuha ko is talagang ready itong taong to na gusto kanya makasama forever. Gusto kanya makasama. Pero sa ngayon, hindi pa sila ready. Okay? So, anong meron sa kanya para malaman mo? Sino to? Some of you, pasensya na po ha. Okay. Sino to? The Ace of Wands in reverse. Pwedeng hindi naman to masyadong malayo. Okay? Hindi kailangan ng travel sa taong to. Alam nyo, meron ditong sabihin nating blockages pagdating sa pamemera ng iba. Pwede, opo. Merong nagkakaroon ng blockages pagdating sa pamemera ng iba. Merong napapabayaan dito. Kaya nagkakaroon ng blockages. Okay? Somebody miss you. Missing you. Yes. King of Pentacles, Seven of Chalices. Ang dami namang gawain dito. May nakakaramdam dito earth signs ng parang wala ka ng oras sa kanila. Focus mo iba na. Yeah. Somebody who rejects an offer. Okay, somebody na nag-reject ng offer mo. Sila yun. Meron silang dinaramdam pagdating sa'yo. Feeling nila, open ka sa iba, pero pagdating sa kanila, parang nawawalan ka na ng oras. Hindi na sinasabi yun. Okay? Pero recently or mga nakaraan, sabihin natin nag-reject to ng offer sa'yo. Galing sa'yo. What else for earth signs? Yeah, could be a family issue. Kung anong man to. Meron dito parang feeling left out. Ace of Swords in reverse. You have here two aces, pero they're both in reverse. What's with this Ace of Swords in reverse? Seven of Chalices. Redirection. Redirecting. Ano tong Ace of Swords in reverse? Some of you, there's this message na pwedeng hindi mo pa nababasa. And this is important. Ano tong Ace of Swords in reverse? Temperance. Oh, the Hermit. Meron ditong talaga. Gustong makipag-usap sa'yo. Could be Sag, air, water. They're impatient. They're impatient. Meron kayong nangyaring ending. May nangyari kayong separation. Yeah. Ano tong Seven of Chalices? In the reversed. Yeah, the Knight of Swords in reversed. Four of Pentacles. This is your ex. Your ex. Yeah, they want this. A new beginning with you. So, Ace of Pentacles and the Ten of Pentacles. Money is coming. Money is coming. Big money. Okay, opportunity. So, nakakuha tayo ng tatlong ace dito. Pero naka-upright yung Ace of Pentacles. Well, diba? Some of you, nakakuha ka ng energy ng saving. Or sabihin natin, opening a new account. investing, some of you about, this is about money. Okay? Saving. Meron din akong nakukuhang ganon. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.